Good morning everyone, this is Kriti Shah from Derivative Desk Axis Securities. I brief you about the Friday's activity. In the Friday session, Nifty future closed at 8809.35, increased by 0.1%, but there's a decrease in OI that's to the tune of 0.04%. That indicates the lackluster movement from the Nifty as well as the stock specific. The Nifty future closed with 30-point premium compared to previous session of 18 point. Moving to the FI, they were buyer of 896 crores in derivative segment. They were buyer of 243 crores in index future. They were buyer of 852 crores in index option, and they were buyer of 75 crores in stock future. Again, that's a muted activity from the FI side as well. Moving to the VIX, VIX is quoting at 13.17. The ATM call IVs dropped to 8.85, whereas the put IVs dropped to 11.88. The put call ratio is at 0.94 and the overall PCR at 0.87. From the VIX and put call ratios, we can suggest that the VIX is quoting at the lower level in a small band. At the same time, the PCR is also hovering around the same range. That indicates the resistance at the higher level in the Nifty. However, there is a lack of clear-cut direction in the Nifty. The stock specific action may continue for the coming sessions. Moving to the stock specific activity, in the yesterday session, Arvind, Tech Mahindra, Britannia and OFSS has witnessed long build-up and can trade with a positive bias, whereas Tata Communication, Apollo Tyre, IGL and Dr. Reddy has witnessed short build-up and can trade with a negative bias. On the put call concentration, the maximum concentration is still at 8500 and can remain as support to the current expiry, whereas on a higher side above 8800 the next support can be seen at 9000 and that can be the resistance for the current expiry. That's all activity into derivative segment. Thanks a lot.